One of my great gardening secrets, banana skin fertiliser. Easy, quick, and gives you great results. Let me show you how. Hello again, herb lovers. Toni here from Life, Love and Lettuce, and let's get straight into making our banana skin fertiliser. All we need is trusty banana skin. If it's got a nasty label on it, you don't even have to take the nasty label off. We're just going to get straight into cutting it up into reasonably small pieces, and if you've been watching now, you know why I like to cut things up, because it means that we're going to get more surface area to our water. So we're chopping up our banana skin, we're popping it in a bowl, and we are simply adding water. That easy, that quick. This can now sit on the bench, or if you prefer, you can pour it into a quart jar, and it's going to sit for about a week, and it's going to make the most kind of sweet smelling liquid. If you can stand to have it in the kitchen, keep it in the kitchen. If you can't, pop it outside, just put a little top on it and check it every day to make sure it's not fermenting too much and creating gas and all those sorts of things. And once you've got it, you can dilute it 1 to 10 and pour it on your plants. Once your skins have sat around and they have produced the liquid fertilizer, then you can just bury the skins around the drip line of your fruit trees, or make a little trough in your garden and bury them in your garden. Or if you have a little compost heap, you can pop them in the compost. There is absolutely no waste whatsoever with this method. It is full of magnesium and potassium and wonderful things that are going to help make your plant stems strong, and they're going to grow well, and your plants are going to produce well for you. And because they're growing well and strong, they're going to repel pests, and you are going to have a bumper crop if you use this simple method in your garden. Let me know how it goes. If you're not so keen on this method, have a look at our bucket compost method up here, and let us know how you get on, or if you have any questions. Love and lettuce, and we'll see you again soon. Bye for now.